Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our GK online class. Students, this is holiday homework book for class 2nd. Okay. So student, today I am here to give you holiday homework. Okay, summer holiday homework. So let's open our GK portion. Okay student, this is our GK. Okay, part 2. It is written and holidays homework for kids. GK and moral. So here you can see the contents, and here we are having 12 chapters. So 12 chapters, okay, and in summer vacation homework you have to do only 6 chapters. How many? 6. Okay, so very good. Okay students, so have a look to our chapters. So first chapter is given the right things to do. So in this chapter students, we have to tick against the right thing that we should do. For example, while playing your friend falls down and hurts his knee. So you run away from there, keep playing because it is his problem, or help him up and call an adult to have a look. So what should you do? If your friend falls down, so what should you do? Yes, very good. You should help him up and call an adult to have a look. Okay, आपको उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए और किसी भी एल्डर को बुलाना चाहिए. So tick here. So like this students, you have to do this chapter. Now turn on the page. Very good. Chapter 2nd, health and hygiene. So here students, we have to take the correct option. Okay, first we should read the sentence carefully, then we will tick on the correct option. First one, we must dash our teeth twice a day. So हमें 2 बार बच्चों अपने जो टीथ हैं उसको क्या करना चाहिए? क्लीन, ब्रश और पॉलिश. वेरी गुड, ब्रश. So tick here and right answer. So like this students, you have to do this chapter. Okay. So chapter 3rd, very good, habits of a good child. So in GK you have read the habits of a good child. Very good. So tick the habits you consider good and cross the bad ones. So you have to read the given sentences properly, then tick or cross. Like first one, wearing neat and clean clothes. So you should wear neat and clean clothes. Dress or not? Yes, very good. You should wear neat and clean dress. So tick here. So like this students, you have to do this exercise. Okay. Very good. Now chapter 4th, famous Indians. So here are the pictures of some famous Indians of today. Do you recognize them? So students, here the clues given to us. First woman president. Who is called? Very good. Like this, okay? So you have to write the names of the famous persons. So complete this chapter. This chapter is very important and valuable, okay? Chapter 5th, wonderful animals. So students, here write their names which are written in reverse order. Okay, reverse order में लिखे हैं, तो आपको इनको क्या करना है? करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है. लाइक की, आई, वी. रिवर्स मीन्स होता है बच्चों उल्टा. क्या होता है? उल्टा. ओके, सो अगर हम इसको करेक्ट करेंगे तो कैसे हो जाएगा? की, आई, वी, आई. सो कीवी, टी, ए, वी ये लिखा हुआ है ना. सो वी हैव टू राइट देम, राइट इट इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर. बी, ए, टी. ओके, बैट. So like this students, you have to do the work. Okay, kiwi, bat, and like this tiger. Like this you have to do. Very good. Now turn on the page. Yes, comic characters. So given below are the word famous cartoons. Identify them and write their correct names written in reverse order. ये भी बच्चों आपको ऐसे ही करना है जैसे आपने चैप्टर 5th में उसको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखा था. लाइक क्या करना है आपको? CHAUDHARY ये हो जाएगा चौधरी, एंड हियर CHACHA. तो ये चाचा आपको यहाँ लिखना है, चौधरी यहाँ लिखना है इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर. ओके, so like this students, you have to do this work. Okay, very good. This work is very Interesting? Nice, very nice. So students, complete your summer vacation homework and enjoy your summer vacation also. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.